We sell F-35s to allied nations, Norway, Canada, whatever. We don't sell B-2s to anybody, even including allied nations. The ticket price is $2 billion. They have a new version of the B-2 that's, I think like 700 million or whatever, but they weren't built at scale. They're extremely locked down. It's pretty crazy.
Wow. So what would they be doing? Like, how would it be surfing its own wave? Like, what advantage would that confer?
If you do this ChatGPT thing, it'll say it doesn't split the airflow as much, and so you get more lift, and there's reduced drag. The shock wave is reduced. The electric fields somehow interact with the particles at the boundary layer where the frame hits the air.